Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we're diving into something absolutely extraordinary that redefines luxury on wheels. What you're looking at is the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, a rolling mansion that commands attention wherever it goes with its striking presence and jaw-dropping price tag of $2.5 million. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of ultimate success and the pinnacle of what's possible when engineering excellence meets uncompromising luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is an absolute masterpiece of design and aerodynamics. The sleek profile immediately catches your eye with its distinctive two-tone paint scheme featuring elegant curves and sophisticated lines that flow seamlessly from front to back. The front fascia showcases a bold grille with the Prevost emblem prominently displayed, flanked by modern LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility while adding a contemporary touch to the overall design. The panoramic windshield offers incredible forward visibility for the driver while maintaining that luxurious coach aesthetic. What's particularly impressive is the integrated slide-out sections that expand the living space when parked, allowing this already massive vehicle to become even more spacious. The exterior features high-end alloy wheels that perfectly complement the coach's premium status, and the underbody storage compartments are finished to the same exacting standards as the rest of the vehicle. The paint quality is absolutely flawless, with multiple layers creating a deep, lustrous finish that's protected against the elements. LED lighting surrounds the entire vehicle, ensuring safety and visibility while adding a touch of elegance during evening stops. Now let's step inside, and this is where the Liberty Coach truly earns its mansion on wheels reputation. The moment you enter through the electric steps, you're greeted by an interior that rivals the finest luxury apartments. The living area features premium leather seating that's both heated and cooled, with massage functions to ensure maximum comfort during long journeys. The flooring throughout is genuine hardwood with intricate inlay patterns, while the ceiling features recessed lighting with multiple ambient settings. The galley kitchen is nothing short of spectacular, equipped with full-size residential appliances including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a full-size refrigerator with ice maker. Granite or marble countertops provide ample workspace, and custom cabinetry offers storage solutions that would make any chef jealous. Moving to the master suite, you'll find a king-size bed with a premium mattress, designer bedding, and surrounding cabinetry that maximizes storage without sacrificing style. The ensuite bathroom is absolutely remarkable, featuring a full-size shower with rainfall showerhead, premium fixtures in polished chrome or gold finish, and a porcelain toilet. Some configurations even include a washer and dryer combo, ensuring you have all the comforts of home. The entertainment systems throughout are state-of-the-art, with multiple large-screen televisions, surround sound audio, and smart home integration that controls lighting, climate, and security systems from a central touchscreen or smartphone app. The climate control is a sophisticated multi-zone system that ensures perfect temperature in every area of the coach. Under that stunning exterior lies serious engineering that makes this massive vehicle surprisingly capable and refined on the road. The 2026 Liberty Coach is built on the Prevost H3-45 chassis, which is legendary in the luxury coach world for its strength and reliability. Powering this magnificent machine is a Volvo D13 engine producing around 500 horsepower and an impressive amount of torque, ensuring that even with a fully loaded weight exceeding 50,000 pounds, acceleration and highway merging are smooth and confident. The transmission is an advanced automatic unit that seamlessly shifts through gears, and the air suspension system provides a ride quality that's remarkably smooth for a vehicle of this size. Independent front suspension ensures excellent handling and reduced driver fatigue on long journeys. The braking system features disc brakes all around with advanced ABS technology, providing confident stopping power. The steering is precise with variable assist, making maneuvering in tight spaces more manageable than you'd expect. Advanced safety features include collision warning systems, lane departure alerts, and a comprehensive camera system that gives the driver eyes all around this massive vehicle. The fuel efficiency is obviously not the priority here, but the large fuel tanks ensure extended range between fill-ups. Now let's talk about what it costs to own this rolling palace. The base price starts at around $2.5 million, but that's just the beginning. With custom options, premium materials, and personalized features, the final price can easily climb above $3 million. Potential buyers can choose from various floor plans, each offering different configurations of living spaces, sleeping arrangements, and amenities. Optional features include solar panels for off-grid capability, additional slide-outs, upgraded appliances, custom paint schemes, and even garage space for a small vehicle or motorcycles. The level of customization available means that no two Liberty coaches need to be exactly alike. This is the ultimate expression of luxury travel, where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. The 2026 Prevost Liberty coach represents the absolute pinnacle of motorhome luxury, combining exquisite craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising comfort in one magnificent package. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible vehicle reviews.